What's up, guys? You join me again for another unboxing video. Because yes, I bought another diecast. I bought this car. As you can see, it is the Fast and Furious Veilside RX7 with the Han action figure, which I don't care about. But anyways, yeah, I was at a car show randomly, and this was there. There's a guy that sells like Hot Wheels and stuff at the car show all the time, and he randomly had this. And I'm a huge fan of the Veilside RX7, so I decided I had to have it. It is not a 118. I believe it's a 124. I don't think it actually says on the box. Yeah, it doesn't say anywhere on the box, but I'm pretty sure it's a 124. So it's not going to be the same size as the rest of my cars, which is kind of annoying, but we'll make it work. So I will probably get a 118 scale one of these in the future, but they're like $400, so this one will have to do for now. So yeah, let's get it open and take a look at it. I believe I already cut all the tape for this, so... Oh, maybe not. Now, to be fair, I don't know how many owners this has had, so yeah, we'll see what kind of shape it's in, but I mean, it looks like it's relatively okay. Alright, got it open. So let's pull it out. If that's even possible. What is going on? Oh, that's why. Because it's taped on the bottom right here. How stupid is that? Come on. Well, that was unexpected. Now I'm just gonna have to tear the box, so that's great. That was dumb. Well, whatever. Here it is. I mean, the paint isn't perfect. Like you can see right here, there's, I don't know if it's gonna focus. Might be too close. Let's see. Yeah, evidently not. Stupid autofocus. Let's see if we can get it to focus. Nope, it's just too close. Well, whatever. Yeah, so there's paint imperfections and stuff, like at the bumper, and I don't know, there's a couple other ones, but I mean, overall, it's honestly not that bad. So, alright, let's get it unscrewed. I did bring a screwdriver this time, so I am prepared. Unlike last time with the Sion. Alright, so there's one screw. Here's the other screw. I can already feel the car loosening up. Let's see if we can pull it off yet. Yep, we can. Cool. So, put these back in here. Leave the car in frame. And we'll put this back in the box. Alright. Cool. So here it is. So yeah, I think this is a 124. But yeah, it's Han's car. They even have a little nitrous box in, or a box bottle in there, which is kind of cool. But yeah, let's take a gander. I don't know. I think it's kind of cool, and I really like the Veilside. So, I mean, it's slammed. The wheels roll, I guess. So that's cool. Let's get this plastic off. There's one piece. There's 2 pieces. And 3 pieces around the wing. That's interesting. And there's 3 pieces. Okay, so now it's fully opened. I believe the doors open. Yes, they do. So there we go. Doors open up. There's the back. God, this camera really cannot focus. So yeah, there's the car. I don't know, I like it. It's not 118, but other than that, I think it's pretty cool. So yeah, what do you guys think? Let's go put it next to the Scion. Alright, so here it is next to the Scion in our little cave until the rest of my diecast make it up here. But yeah, I do think that this is a 124, because if you look at the Scion and then you look at the Mazda side by side, it is significantly smaller. I mean, yeah, I know the Scion's a bigger car in person, but like I'm almost positive it's a 124. So, yep, but there you go. So, it's not a 118, but it is the newest addition to the diecast collection. You can see there's the blue NOS bottle right there. So, yep, I don't know. That's it for now. I don't know. I like that car a lot, so decided I had to have it. Alright. Cool, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.